Welcome to the another video. Today we will see the JSON data, creating of JSON data with our own yeah, JSON data. So we will see. Yeah, yeah. When I search Tokyo, all those things. Yeah, yeah. We will see one. Yeah. Okay. And the Sydney 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. All those things. I created all these data from my own with the JSON server. Okay. Generally, we can get on the fake APIs. Okay. Fake API stores like this. You can see, yeah, like this. You can see, come to down and okay. We'll see, this is our JSON data actually. So when we created our own JSON data, we can create like this. Okay, we can create like this. I can show you in my web page. Okay, in source code as well. Like this, I can create it all those things. When I click this one, open only Gutenberg cities. Okay, will provide ID of particular city name. Okay, when I click New York, only New York City's hotels will open. When I click Gothenburg, same. Okay. Like Tokyo, completely opens only Tokyo City, Tokyo Loft Residency, Subia Residency, City Loft Residency. Like this. Okay. Sydney. When we click Sydney apartments, it's opens Sydney. Okay. We can see it's zooming when the cursor is over. Okay. Like this, we can create such type of things. It's a hover. Initially, I will keep blurriness, and when the cursor moves over the particular object, then it's completely disappears. Okay, like this. In create, I can show you. Uh, you know, gmail.com. Like this, we can subscribe ourselves to the website. Okay, like this. This is called Toastify. Okay, you can see like this such I can show you our JSON data as well. First thing first, we can create our JSON data like this, db.json. You'll see here, you can, yeah, you'll see all those things. These are apartment details and property details. Like this, we can create our own JSON data and we will publish in this with the render, and then we will use this particular URL, then we will get the data from the URL. Like this, we can create. This is my own server data. Okay, like this, you can create all those things. I can show you one thing, which is these properties and property names like this. Yeah, in each property we have five or six images, and initially we have a description title, image title, and amenities, free airport details. All this, like, we can create our own server, deluxe studio apartment with the balcony, entire studio. Like this, we can create such what we want show in the UI. Then we will create in this server. Okay, we'll show you in the next class how to create a server and how to store the data. Okay, like this. You can this is like demo how we'll create a JSON server in the React.js projects. Majorly, uh, in React.js front end we don't use database like MongoDB and SQL. So like such types of projects we can use JSON servers for our better options. Okay, like that, we can store all the data in the JSON server, and this JSON server, when we deploy this JSON server, the particular deployment, we can get the URL, particular URL, then that URL stores the data, all these things like this. Okay, you see, last video I show you the login details. Again, I can show you the login details which we will store the data. Okay, like this. Like this, you can store the data. When the user register himself, the registration details store in this, and when the user again log in with their credentials, the credentials match with these particular details, then only the access the authorization will give the websites. Otherwise, it will throw an error or invalid credentials like this. You know all those things. Okay. Like this, we can create our own JSON servers. Okay. Sorry. I can show you source code and can create out of the source, out of the src file, like db.json or anything else. We know .json. We can keep the .json. Then only the website knows, oh, okay, this is a JSON data format. Okay, all those things we can create it like this. When I comment this, this will not work. This not will gonna work. Okay, it will throw an error. Okay, like this. Okay, like this we can create our own JSON server as well. I can show you step by step in further classes. Okay, how to create a JSON server, how to store a data in JSON server, how to deploy this particular JSON server with one particular platform like Render, Virtual, Netlify, Firebase, like this GitHub. Okay, we deploy the particular JSON data so that the deployment, the third party app gives our URL, which is the stored data of these hotels, all those things. That particular URL, we can get the data from that particular URL. Okay. So like this, we can create our own JSON data server. Okay. Thank you.